Okay, now that we've got the compare items handled, we need to revise all overstock things. And to get to this screen, you go to Skew Grid and filter by overstock. Now I'm seeing some of these in here that I thought I removed from Skew Grid. I guess I didn't. So if you happen to click on this eBay listing and you see that it's been ended, okay, this one hasn't. Alright, so I'm going to revise this. And it's the pictures we need to revise. Now, if there's only one picture, there's only really one thing I want you to do, and that's enlarge it. Use the screen capture software called Jing. If you don't have it, download it. It'll give you a little sun up there. You click on it, outline the image, click Save. We're going to save it to the desktop so we can go back and get it later. So go back to the revise page, and we're going to put it here. And then we're simply going to delete this one. What that does is it takes the watermark off that picture. And Rhoda doesn't remember, but we had this problem way back when we first started using Hydra, and we had to go in and do this to every listing. I remember doing it. We didn't have that many listings back then. We had maybe 300 total, maybe even less. But nonetheless, I was getting VERO violations back then. And that's what we had to do. So when there's only one picture, it's pretty simple. Ideally, we should have 3, but if the listing only shows 1, then I'm not going to worry about that. I forgot to show you one other thing we got to do. We got to mark it so that we know it's been done. And the way to mark it is to come down here, and right after the person who listed it, just put a little asterisk. It's Shift 8. That way we know it's done. Let me see if there's another one with 2 pictures. Let's take this one. I think this one has 2 pictures. I think I listed this one. I remember when I listed it, I made sure to not list the main picture. I think the main picture was one of these. So with this, I would get rid of this because it looks like it's the same thing. Really, there's no advantage to getting more than 3 pictures. So I'm just going to click on that. And again, take the Jing software, capture a picture, save it. Call it something you can remember. Go back to revision page, click off of that, get rid of that, and put up the one we just saved. Now, ideally, I guess we should just wait for this one to come on. Come on. There we go. Is to do this one too, but I'm not going to worry about it. We'll put it last. I don't think they check further than the main image when they do their runs to see for violations. I guess the Real Deal did this. Again, put the star and delete. Or I must not delete. Update. So in order to be systematic about this, it's better if you start like at the end and work your way up, so you're not constantly having to check. And you might even put in the work chat where you ended off if you're doing it. But make sure to put the star so that we know it's been handled. Jeez, I don't know. Okay, that's the end.